morning, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special property to show you. This is a super special property, really close to where I live, really close, in the beautiful Pueblo of El Retiro, 35 minutes from Medellin. The special thing about this apartment is it has a huge deck, and a lot of the new builds in Retiro here don't have huge patios. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So we're gonna start at the top of this beautiful duplex. Okay, just to give you a little glimpse of the patio, and check out this world-class view. This is the one that I currently wake up to every day in the beautiful little Pueblo that's becoming a small city here in Retiro. Again, over here you can see a lot of new builds going on. We are actually on the ring road, as you can see right down there. And the beauty of this area here, why you don't want to sleep on this apartment here. Again, big deck, and the great thing about this location in Retiro is the sun always rises just over the mountain right here and then comes over top. So you get the morning sun, okay, but you get the whole Pueblo illuminated as the sun goes up and over during the day. But the great thing is it doesn't get too hot here. Never gets too hot or too cold, especially in this apartment, because it's in the right direction, I would say, of the sun. Everything on this side of the Pueblo of El Retiro, I think, is the best area for sun. Okay, and over there at night, it's really nice over there at night. I've seen apartments over there. There's Retiro Club right there, another great development. But at night, there you have to have your curtains or your drapes because the sun is coming right into the apartment. So this is definitely the best side, and this is an amazing deck. Okay, so you've got a jacuzzi tub right here, built for two, with views. Beautiful at night or in the morning. Amazing ambient. And then, as you can see, really big deck here. So I'm not going to put the price in this one, but the people are motivated, so we can negotiate the price. It'll be based on the price here of the Pueblo. Okay, they're motivated but not desperate, but they would like to move their money to another project. So again, you could probably get a fairly good deal on this apartment, again, based on the price per square meter out here in Retiro, which if you contact me directly, we can go over. And again, I can arrange a viewing of this beautiful apartment for you anytime. It was actually just rented out for the last 2 months and rented really well. But again, this is the kind of apartment that you might just want to retire to. So let's take more of a look here, okay? So they built an outdoor kitchen here. Again, anything can be modified. So I was actually thinking that it'd be really good to have a little induction cooktop here. Okay, they've got the barbecue over there. It comes with the barbecue. Okay, everything comes as is. So you could buy this little apartment turnkey, not a problem. Okay, again, we'll take a look here. The outdoor kitchen. I would actually probably set up a little bar over that way there, but again, that's just me. So any modifications you'd want, we can help you with. And if there's any fixes, this apartment's been completed, I believe it's been just over a year right now. And again, if there's any little foibles or any problems, we'll make sure that they get fixed. But yeah, it's a very turnkey apartment. I'm going to show you right here that they have A beautiful, beautiful bathroom here. We're doing some modifications here. The laundry is in here too, but they've created here a beautiful shower that's also a steam room and a sauna, as you can see right here. Okay, so again, a steam room which you could easily fit 2 people in here. And the laundry's in here too. We're going to install the machine, a new machine. But this is the sauna steam room. All right, let's take a look again at the outside deck space here. Ample space. We haven't even gone downstairs yet. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Again, a duplex apartment. TV's right there. It's got the cover on it right now. Everything's operational, ready to go. Again, if you are in Medellin and you need a getaway for the weekend, this is a great weekend getaway. And if anyone knows anything about Retiro now, on the weekends here, it's packed and there's no good hotels here. So this could be a good rental unit. Again, long-term rentals in this building only. No typical Airbnbs. Okay, but as I said, this is the type of apartment, if you're a retiree, single or a couple, it would be perfect for a couple also, but for a single it would be amazing because it has, again, ample space to move. All right, let's head downstairs. So they put in a really nice wooden stairway here. And here is the main kitchen. They've done a really nice job here. This was the original countertop and they've adjoined this wood structure here, as you can see. Really beautiful. All right. And I said everything is turnkey here, ready to go. Got your TV room or your living room right here. Again, a view. It's a beautiful town of Retiro. Let's take another look here at the downstairs kitchen, living room combined here. As I said, you don't want to sleep on this apartment because I think it's a great opportunity. Again, I actually live in a unit in this building. I've done as a former photographer. Well, I guess I'm always a photographer. Many time lapses from my apartment. Maybe I'll include some in, but the views from here are world class. So let's take a look at the master. Complete with TV. Again, for me, I would probably put a bench seat down here, okay, for storage, but that's just me. Again, modifications can be done. We have great renovators we work with, and sometimes we are currently doing our own renovation in Medellin by Mila de Oro. We're doing a couple projects in that area right now, or have completed a project in that area, and we are currently working on another one, which we will show in an upcoming video. Okay. And beautiful ambient here. And what I love about the principal master bedroom here is you have, as you can see, floor to ceiling windows, which for me in Colombia should be a no-brainer. Should be a law with these world-class views like this. Okay, and as you can see there, you've got your closet space. Let's make our way out. Before we do, there is an ensuite bathroom right here, complete with rain shower. And a really nice sink. And just adjacent to this washroom right here, we have another matching social bathroom right here with shower, because there is actually a second bedroom right here, which could double as office space. Okay. And it's set up for a desk right here. Ample closet space. Go back to the living room kitchen here. Take one last overview look downstairs. And this building has a maintenance person who cleans the hallways every day. It has a really good brand new elevator. Obviously, this building is about 3 years old, so it's in very good condition. All right, let's go back upstairs and take one last look at this beautiful deck. I'll try and get the square meters, and as usual I put everything at the end screen, the details, but again, this is a offering that we actually haven't set the price on again, but we will do it per square meter at the local price of the Pueblo here on new builds. Again, this is a special apartment because of the patio, but again, we'll do a fair price that we can negotiate, because as I said, the people that own this are looking to move the money to another project right now. So take one last look at this beautiful jacuzzi view. And we will take one last look to the Pueblo here. Again, if you are interested in this apartment, you can contact us at expatcrib.com/contact. And as a reference for this specific duplex apartment, quote, duplex patio apartment in Retiro, and we will get back to you and exchange numbers. And again, we can set up a viewing of this apartment any day. So just let us know. This is Ian from ExpatCrib. Thanks for joining us again today for this special Retiro duplex apartment. And we'll see you in the next one.